What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another banger, right? And in today's video, I'm gonna answer the one question we all have. If you're watching this video, you probably are asking yourself, is Hanko Trade safe? Okay, and the quick answer to that question is yes. Your money is safe, okay? I can show you right here that multiple people are still getting withdrawals, okay? Me personally, I have over $25,000 in Hanko still, and yes, I'm sticking with them even though there is no MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Now, if you're in the trading niche, you see this happening time and time again with almost every single broker. And I don't want to just say unregulated brokers, because there are also regulated brokers, which some of you guys have heard about from your big influencers, that are also getting removed from MetaQuotes. MetaQuotes gave Hanko Trade 47 hours to remove everybody from the platform. And in fact, if you're not in my Discord chat or Trust the Signals Discord chat right now, make sure that you join, because believe it or not, we knew about this 3 or 4 days before everybody else on Hanko Trade's platform, because I have a direct connection within Hanko, which leads me to my next thing. If you want to go ahead and get major support, if you're having any issues with Hanko, okay, make sure that you can reach out to me, right? Reach out to me if you do have any problems, and I can go ahead and help you. I'm so sure that Hanko is a legit broker that I am willing to go ahead and put my channel, my companies on the line, okay? Hanko Trade is the broker of choice for Trusted Signals, Automated Trader, and of course, Chris P. You have nothing to worry about when it comes to Hanko. Now, some of the things that are obviously happening within the broker niche is a little bit concerning, and it really stems because MetaQuotes, which is the white label platform that a lot of these brokers are using, it's a bridge from the people to the broker to the actual markets. With that being said, Hanko Trade has introduced ActTrader, and I've been using it for the last 3 or 4 days, and I can say that it has a lot more pros than cons when it comes to MetaQuotes. There's a lot of cool things that I will show you guys in my next video on how to use ActTrader, which is Hanko Trade's new platform. And keep in mind that they are also gonna go ahead and add major new incentives, okay? Me personally, I've already been using MetaQuotes for over almost 10 years, okay? So of course it's hard for us to go ahead and say, hey, that's it, I'm done. This is my platform of choice, I'm going to the new one. But guys, innovation comes when it's necessary, okay? And this has been one of the things that the brokers and actually trading in itself has needed for some years now. All right, almost every single broker has been using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and guess what, guys? MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 has been outdated for some years now. You guys have been saying this from the very beginning, and what's funny is now that there's actually innovation within the trading niche, you guys are getting a little bit upset because, of course, you guys are not accustomed to trading on another platform. Now, ActTrader is available on almost every single platform, and it is coming to iOS very soon. So if you guys have money in Hanko, I think you should remain still, stay still, try out ActTrader, okay? Watch my next video, because I'm gonna show you guys the ins and outs on how to set up your ActTrader. There are 3 things that I have done to my charts that you guys need to do. Keep in mind that Automated Trader and Trusted Signals is already working hand in hand with Hanko Trade and ActTrader to provide trading automation. So fear not, guys, we have trading automation that's gonna work directly with Hanko to get you guys to the next level, okay, guys? So stay tuned, hit that like button, and if you have any issues with Hanko Trade, I'm gonna be reading the comments down below. Join the Discord as well, message me directly, and I can assure you right now that if you have a withdrawal, they're gonna go ahead and give you the withdrawal. If you have a support question, they're gonna answer your support. As you guys probably know, the migration process does take a little bit of time. So of course, they're gonna go ahead and be a little bit delayed on support and delayed upon answering your problems or questions, right? Because the simple fact is, think about it. If 1 million traders are now migrating from MetaQuotes to ActTrader. Of course, there's gonna be people who are having simple problems. There's gonna be people who have big problems. There's gonna be people who have login problems, right? So of course, right now, just give the team the time needed to provide the correct support, and I promise you they will handle it.